Well, good morning, it's Lonnie, and we're in the shed again. Today is going to be a day of pulling some eBay orders, getting some stuff packed. But I did want to show y'all, if y'all notice, the coat crates are not over there. If you happen to watch the past few videos, they're now up here. I had some empty tubs and whatnot. I was able to consolidate a few things and get this whole shelf done, emptied out, so I could put these crates on there. I actually have quite a few spots in here that are similar to that I could clear out and manufacture some more space if need be. So we're good for now though. First thing, I already pulled this pair of jeans here. What are these? Levi's women's jeans, 505s. Got $14.99 plus shipping on top for these. Okay, I sold a coat crate. I sold number 13, this one right here, this yellow one. I got $29.99 plus shipping on top for this. I'm gonna put y'all, well, do something with y'all because I need two hands right now. All right, here it is. $29.99 plus shipping on top for this one. So first one going out, pretty excited about that. Okay, next is this, man, I just listed this yesterday. It's in this box. It's not the original box, but it's this Sears Pong game with manual. And I was kind of surprised, sorry for the angles there or whatever. I was kind of surprised how much these were worth, honestly. Because I've had Pong stuff before and it wasn't that great. I mean, I didn't pay much for it. I paid $3 for it at a yard sale this past weekend. But yeah, I got $40 or $39.99 plus shipping on top for this. It did have the manual, which is pretty cool, and the stuff itself seemed to be in pretty good cosmetic shape. I didn't test it though. So yeah, sold it untested, $39.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, it took me a minute to get to this sucker. Sold this DC like skateboarding hat. It's a use size, $7.99 plus shipping on top. Mostly gotten out of the hat thing. I mean, I'm not saying I won't buy them. If I see some that are cool, like if I saw something like this again, I would buy it, even though it hadn't sold yet. Something interesting. But your standard everyday type hats, I'll probably start staying away from them. I find that they just take way too long to sell. Although the trap is that they're they're small, they're cheap to buy, they're easy to list, they're easy to ship. But then at some point it's like, how many do you want to have around? I don't know. Sold a fanzine. See, it's an I book, so it's gonna be in this one. This one has a lot of books in it, so let me bring it over here. This was a nice little sale. I priced this one up a little bit for whatever reason. Whenever I was listing these, I had to use Worth Point a bunch because some of them had a little more value than others, and these things are like so like unique or exclusive or whatever. Like a lot of these I think were made in like really small print runs of maybe 100 or 2, but there were sales records for a lot of them. So let me find the one I sold. Okay, that didn't take too long. This is Psychic Investigations number 8 fanzine. It's got like A-Team, some show called Equalizer, Man from U.N.C.L.E., Scarecrow and Mrs. King. I think that's Quantum Leap guy right there. So yeah, $29.99 plus shipping on top for that. So that was an awesome little sale there. Sold a Superbook. It's one of these religious type, educational type DVDs I bought a while back. Sold a bunch to start. Oh man, which one am I looking for? I think it's this one. I think it's King Solomon. Start talking and then my mind just clears. Yeah, King Solomon. I got $13.99 free shipping. and the shipping's going to be $275 for that one. Okay, I have 19, was it 19? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 19 games left. It's about to be 17 though, because I sold this one, Section Z, and then I sold another one, Dragon Spirit. Yep. Sold these 2 games. How much? $3.99 and $6.99. So 2 more of those are getting out, and let's see, we got to get something down out of the camera box. All right, nifty little sale here. This is a Viewmaster stereoscope, and then it's got some reels in there too, as you can see in that photo. Took a little while, took, I don't know, 6 months, 5 months, somewhere in there, but got great money for it. $29.99 plus shipping on top. All right, last thing I'm shipping today is this H&H Flutter Shag Kit. Basically some artificial baits. Then it's got some hooks and stuff up here. So yeah, $12 free ship on that. Second one I've sold in the past week. I've had these for like 2 years now. Actually, if you look at the back of it, it has a Amazon FBA label on it. I actually sent, oh man, I don't know, maybe 16 of those into Amazon FBA. This is when I was doing FBA a couple of years ago, and they didn't do that well, and I ended up recalling all the products. Like, it just wasn't, FBA wasn't for me at that time. Maybe in the future I'll do it again, but yeah, glad to sell that. $12 free ship. Free ship. So shipping's probably going to be about $4 or something on this. It'll go first class. Okay, back from the post office, and I'm about to actually I'm about to edit this video, and then I'm going to get some stuff listed. But tomorrow will be a garage sale day. I don't know how many are scheduled yet. Question I get quite often is where do you find your garage sales, yard sales and stuff that you go to? Answer is I look on Craigslist, and I look on our local newspaper's website. For me, it's totheadvocate.com or something, or theadvocate.com, I can't remember. But they have all their classified ads online, and believe it or not, there are a lot of people in this area anyway that don't put their yard sales on Craigslist. They put their yard sales in the newspaper classifieds, and then I can go look those up on the website. It's been like that for a while here, and it's still like that. I'll usually get half of my sales from Craigslist, half of my sales from the newspaper, and then Candace will usually look on Facebook groups and then send me sales that she spots in there that look good, and then I'll add those in the mix too. Then after I get all that, all the ones that I want to go to, I'll just put them all into the En Route app on my phone, and it is a paid app, and I'll have it make up a route, and it works really well. So hopefully we'll have some good footage from sales tomorrow. I will see y'all then. Take care, guys. Bye bye.